Hello everyone, my name is Linda Smith-Latimer, and in case you haven't been following me, I am a watercolor artist. And my husband and I currently live part-time in Utah and part-time in Eastern Tennessee. In Utah, I have a home studio. It's small but efficient. I can make YouTube videos out of there. I can teach on Zoom. I can have a couple of students in my studio, but it's not optimal. But in Tennessee, my husband and I decided to buy a shed, and we bought the shed from Smoky Mountain Storage Barns outside of Rogersville, Tennessee. And we had it custom built to our specifications with placements of doors and windows. And it's 12 by 20 and it's the perfect size. And so my husband and I decided to do videos of the entire process. I based my name of my studio, Firefly Studio, on the inspiration from the abundance of fireflies that are on the property in the evenings, which I dearly love fireflies. I have since I was a little girl. And so my studio's name is Firefly Studio. We decided to go ahead and build this. We had it brought onto our property, and we started. Took us about a year and a half because we weren't there all the time. We were in Utah part of the time, and my husband did all of the building, all of the electrical, and we videoed every step of the way so that we could share this with you people in hopes that maybe it would give you some ideas for your own studio, or if you already have a current studio, how to maybe make it a little bit better, how to have your lights in there, how to mount them, how to have cameras. We wanted to share this with you. In this video series, we have 7 episodes, and they are very detailed, and we'll give you all of the information, pictures of all of the tools we used, all of the materials, all the supplies, down to every nut and bolt that we used, cameras that I used, all of the lighting. My husband built a overhead lighting support system, which is amazing. And he also built a gallery display wall in there, and all of my art tables and everything. So it gives you a wealth of information and placement, how to do it. So we invite you to watch along. Be sure and ask questions. Be sure and subscribe so that you can get updates when we put the videos up. They will be up here within the next little while. And we hope that you enjoy them. If you have questions, please ask questions. If you need more information, let us know. My husband and I will answer everything that we possibly can to help you. We hope you enjoy this first video. So stay tuned, and here's the first video. Bye. Well, that concludes this first episode in creating Firefly Studio. I hope you enjoyed it. We're excited to bring in the next episode, and in that it will be all about the electrical. Larry will be explaining to you what he's done, why he's done it, and the purpose of everything, and it will be very informative. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share. That always helps my videos. Thank you so much. Bye. See you soon.